After all the hard work of our design and product teams together, we have put into research and development of the new Porsche design Huawei Mate 30 RS. It is my pleasure to be here on stage today. So this launch marks already our 5th generation device in collaboration with Huawei, and I can't believe how far we have come with this series of phones in such a short period of time. The positive reaction in 2018 to the Mate 20 RS, we are nearly sold out in almost all markets, showed us that it is time for the next step, the Porsche design Huawei Mate 30 RS. When Professor F.A. Porsche, our founder, founded Porsche Design back in 1972, he had a very clear vision. From the beginning, he was driven by an uncompromising approach to design as a functional necessity, not simple for aesthetics. F.A. Porsche's unique design philosophy is something he firmly instilled into the foundation of our company. And until today, we at Porsche Design strictly follow these rules. So as a result, Porsche Design is known today around the globe for exclusive, technically inspired lifestyle products, extending the Porsche way of life beyond the automotive world. Today, we open another chapter to the book of Porsche Design smartphones. We innovate even further with a brand new Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS, the latest addition to our list of accomplishments. I remember when Porsche Design and Huawei first came together. It was back in 2014. At that time, we had no idea the partnership would take off in a way it did. So working together for the past 5 years, 5 new smartphones, each more special than the last one, have emerged from this collaboration. And with every new device, we continue innovating and pushing the current parameters until they bend. So the brand new Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS perfectly merges functional design on the one hand and state-of-the-art technology on the other hand, effortlessly setting new standards for performance, design, and technology. As the newest benchmark in the Porsche Design Huawei Mate series, this device operates with real racing speed on the inside, making sure its owners enjoy performance at highest class level at every turn. Speed is important to our customers and to us. So everyone wants its new phone to outperform the one before. For this reason, our new device uses one of the world's most advanced chipsets and wireless supercharge to achieve these speeds. Available both in black, and Richard showed the red one, the new Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS uses handcrafted premium leather on the back of the device, which encloses the vertical glass strip. It features an instantly recognizable design. Not only the leather provides a hint of visual extravagance, uncommon on mobile devices, it also works together with the ergonomic shape, providing additional tactile advantages. The separately available premium leather case, which we will show later backstage, with a leather strap on the backside, isn't just a design feature, it is functional as well. The leather strap extends into a loop, which locks in place to provide users with a comfortable, safe, sturdy grip during use. When extended and locked, it also acts as a stand for reading, viewing, and numerous other activities made better through watching in landscape format, similar to that of a tablet. This is typical for our functional design philosophy at Porsche Design, always considering every possibility. So the Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS embodies the feeling of luxury. It truly is a mobile masterpiece. Using the previous version as a starting point, we reworked the overall functionality, improving even further both the performance and the design. The resulting new flagship device goes beyond every boundary established by its predecessors, setting the new standards in portable luxury. The new Porsche Design Huawei Mate 30 RS is designed to perform. So in summary, I can tell you the new Porsche design Huawei Mate 30 RS is a very special device. Yet again, this phone proves commitment, hard work, and great results. With a strong alliance between Porsche design and Huawei, our goal of consistently growing and innovating our products to deliver the market's best continues. So now I'd like to bring Richard back on stage here into the conversation to give a more comprehensive overview of our new product. He will demonstrate to you more thoroughly its features and capabilities, which we hope will impress you all. Thank you very much for being here. And Richard,
thank you, Jan.
Up to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As Jan said, that's this phone designed for performing. You know, that's why we have the camera, we have the strap. Because, you know, this design is inspired by the sports cars track and also headlight. So then you can see the back is a strap. And the front, you can see that's this one. It's like this inside. Both inside and outside. This design is really for performance. And also we are using the new generation, the genuine leather premium leather finishing, which can make it more durable compared with before. And you know, this phone should be water and dust proofing. But the real leather, you know, if you long time put inside the water, so you influence this leather. But this phone itself is water and dust proofing. But I'm not recommend you to long time to put inside in the water because this is a real genuine leather. And now we have, this is a red color we provide. And this is a black, classic black color. And also, as Yang He said, that we have new amazing things. This is a luxury accessory. I show you that it's a very amazing design. I can take this phone like this. You can see that. And also, I can take this on the table. And you're watching the video, you see the phone, it's very convenient. So it's a very smart design. It's a functional luxury, we call it. And this phone, and Porsche design Huawei Mate 30 RS, with high specification, 12 GB RAM, 512 GB for storage.